Hey guys, this is Ashok Kumar, your psychologist from Crack SSB Masterclass. So today's question, should we take our own gender as the main character always in the stories? Now whether you are a male candidate or a female candidate, you are supposed to assume your own gender as the main character in most of the places. Now there is a reason to it. The simple reason is you can identify yourself with your own gender much better than the opposite gender. But then, do you have to do this always? So it is a big question. To answer this, you must understand that the main character of a story is the one who is portraying all your better qualities. He is the one who takes care of all the issues which are happening in the story. Whatever the problem which arises, he is the one who is solving it. And then if any difficult task is given, he or she is the one who is going to take care of it till the end. So when you choose such kind of a person, you should always prioritize your main character based on the importance given in the image. Say for example, you saw in an image where there are both the gender are present. Even though your own gender is also present, still your gender is in an uncomfortable position. That means he or she may not be in a comfortable position to do certain things. Such kind of places, there is nothing wrong going with the opposite gender. Or sometimes you may find your own gender who is much immature in terms of age. In such cases, again you can go with the opposite gender. The third and important aspect is your main character has to come from the picture. Sometimes you get an image where your own gender may not be there, it is full of only the opposite gender. In such cases, whether you like it or not, you have to take one among the opposite gender as the main character. But please don't bring the main character from outside the image. I hope this explanation solves your purpose. If you like this video, kindly share it with friends who are preparing for the SSB. Thank you.